Good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and here's my friend Mitch, and he's rocking the GPM shirt. Big shout out to him. That's pretty sweet. And I'm out here, guys, at this place, and we have a ramp, and we're gonna send it. I have my Slash 2-wheel drive running on a Sidewinder setup, and he has his Rustler VXL. Boom, there you go. So Trax's team ready to go, and we'll see what we can do today. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, damn! I missed the jump so bad. I think this is a much better angle. What do you guys think? Check out this straight road here. And boom, we go down in the grass. Let's see what we can do. Yeah! Found two of them. Found two of these and just got one more to find. Nothing broke, just the body came off. It's a pretty small deal. I put it back. It's back in action, guys. Ready to send it. Yeah! Full send! Yeah, bro. Full send. For the jump update, I broke a shock cap in the rear and I lost one of those Proline body mount caps. And that's it. No biggie. The truck is still on, good to go. In perfect condition. It's going to be running by tonight, so. Hey! We sent it, guys. Woo! Wow.